Yes, dear friends, in this particular edition of maps, I will be explaining about small scale and large scale map. And before I go to the explanation of small scale and large scale map, what is a scale? Scale describes the detailed amount of area covered on ground. And if you see here, it explains you the difference between small scale and large scale map. Now, what is a small scale map? It says a small scale map shows 1 is to 10,000, shows lesser details and represents more area. So, what does a small scale map do? It shows a large amount of area but in a very small page. On the other hand, a large scale map shows a lot of details and it shows a smaller area. So one thing that you need to understand, small scale map will show you a large area. On the other hand, a large scale map will show you a smaller area. As it says, a large scale map shows 1 is to 5,000. Map shows the greater details and represents a small area as compared to others. Now I will be explaining you about different types of maps. There are maps which are called as topographical maps. Topographical maps are the maps which are very detailed maps. They show you three things. They show you the length, the breadth, which every map shows, and also the elevation. If you see in the on the screen, on the left hand side, you will see the topographical map. And what are they showing? They are also showing elevation. And how is the elevation being shown? It is being shown by the lines that are there. You can notice now I am trying to expand it and you can see that there are some lines which are shown. And what are those lines? They are contour lines which are showing the whole area. So with this we come to the cadastral map. Cadastral maps are the maps which are showing the total area, and along with the area, what are they showing? They are showing the ownership. You can see small boxes are being shown in this particular map in front of you, in front of the figure that you are seeing. And what are those cadastral maps? These are the maps which are maintained by the government to ascertain the ownership. Each and every house that you have in the society, it is maintained in the cadastral map in the government records. And on the basis of the cadastral map, government is able to tax the people also. Now let me distinguish between the physical and political map. If you see a physical map just takes the physical features into account. Just like here you have a map just shown, and what do you find? It is showing the physical boundaries of the country. Then comes another map which is showing the one which is in front of you, which is showing the states. And if you see, looking at this map, you will find that it may not be so perfect because so many of the states, the new states, are not mentioned here. But yes, at least it gives you one fact that what is a political map? A political map will have states. On